Why do hiccups cause that sudden irritating hic noise? You see, many people assume it comes from your throat, but that's not where it begins. So, what's actually producing that sound? I'll explain. But if you've ever had hiccups, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. A hiccup starts when the muscle under your lungs suddenly tightens by itself. That spasm makes you breathe in sharply. As air shoots down your throat, your vocal cords slam shut without warning. That sudden halt in airflow is what produces the hic sound you hear instantly happen.